Hey, I want to go over this new feature that we added. It's in here. It's called AI UGC. So if we go here, we will now be able to create AI UGC ads that you can then use with your products. So let me just go over it real quick and kind of show you guys how it works. So on here on the right hand side, we have a ton of models that you can use. So you can click on them. You can see the models come up. And then one thing that you can do too is now you also have your product videos. So for example, we have an app called CalGPT that we're promoting. So then you can see here, when you click on it, you can now combine this AI UGC with the product demo. That way then users can use it. And you can see that, there's a slight delay just because of the video loading, but you can see how it generates smoothly. But let me show you kind of some concepts and kind of how you can think about it. So, here's how. Just found out my friend lost 20 pounds with this app. So now you could see, you go here, and now you see the video, and then you go back to your thing. So the nice thing about this is that now you can sort of test different hooks essentially of the faces and see kind of what will work well for your company or your brand, while also maintaining the sort of product demo that you can then add. So you go here, and then again, some options here. You can like move this text up if that makes more sense for the video. And then how it works is now you're going to just click on render video and wait a few seconds. So one thing what we're doing right now is we're essentially just rendering the video for you on the back end, and then you could use this video and upload it to TikTok or even to your Instagram Reels, or you can even use it as a Facebook ad or an ad on any other platforms that take a vertical video. So give it a second. And now download video. And then now here, you can see that now you have your video that renders perfectly with the text as well. And then again, in a few seconds, you can just keep making videos for your brands or for your clients.